Next, we head to Coon Rapids, Minnesota, for the sentencing of Jody Bouchard-Riche. She's pled guilty to felony third-degree assault in the attack on Asma Mohammed Jama. A year earlier, Asma, who is a Somali-American immigrant and a U.S. citizen, was eating dinner with family at a local restaurant. Bouchard-Riche heard the group speaking their native Swahili. Some words were exchanged, and then she attacked Jama, hitting her across the face with a beer mug. Jama required 17 stitches to close her wounds. Bouchard-Riche was facing 5 years in prison if convicted, but she pled guilty. And today, the 44-year-old's in court to learn her sentence. But before she does, Asma has something she'd like to say to the court.
What happened to me on that day is unacceptable. It shouldn't happen to anybody else. I used to be a carefree person, and now I can't go anywhere by myself. It really impacted and changed my life for the good and for the bad too. I just wanted,
She struggles to keep her emotions in check.
I just wanted to say that it's that I am happy it's over. It's been a long year. I am really stronger than this. I don't know what's going on with me today. I think I'm just happy that it's over, and I just wanted the court to know that I am a strong person. I'll keep fighting, but what happened to me should never happen in the state of Minnesota, and it shouldn't happen to anybody just because you're different.
Next, she has a specific request for the judge.
If I could ask you if I can talk to the defendant, would that be okay?
Sure.
Jody, what you did to me that day wasn't good. You should never do anything like that to anybody. But I just wanted to tell you in front of everybody today that I do forgive you. My religion teaches me to forgive so I can move on with my life. If I hold a grudge and I hold the hate you hold towards me against you, it's not gonna serve me well. So in front of everybody here, I do forgive you, and I hope that you choose love over hate. I really do. I don't have any ill feelings towards you. I just want you to, at the end of all this, to understand that we're all the same. It doesn't matter what's on my head. It doesn't matter the color of my skin. We're all the same human beings. Thank you all.
Bouchard-Riche declines to speak, but her attorney offers a few words about his client.
I don't see her as a lunatic. I don't see her as a racist. I see her as someone, not unlike many others that come before the court, that has an alcohol problem that brought her here.
The judge ultimately sentences Bouchard-Riche to 6 months in jail, plus 5 months probation. A year later, the defendant's sister, Dawn Sayer, who was sitting in the courtroom the day of the sentencing, reached out to Asma. She just wanted to apologize and make sure Asma was doing okay. Joining us now are Asma Jama and Dawn Sayer. Thank you both so much for joining us.
Thank you for having us.
Asma, first take us back, if you can, to the moment that this happened.
We were speaking in Swahili, but then Jody was so mad that we were speaking another language. I just wanted it to end, so I turned around and I was like, ma'am, we have kids. Could you please just cut it down? And that's when she hit me with the beer mug.
Dawn, now let me ask you, what do you recall feeling as Asma was speaking to the court?
For Asma to have that kind of forgiveness in her heart was just, it was moving. It really was. I mean, it took a lot of love and a lot of understanding to be able to stand up there and tell Jody that she forgave her. And I had a lot of respect for her, that's for sure.
If I hold a grudge and I hold the hate you hold towards me against you, it's not gonna serve me well. So in front of everybody here, I do forgive you.
Tell me about your decision to reach out to Asma.
In my heart, I just felt I needed to know that she was okay. I felt so bad about what happened to her at the hands of somebody that, grew up in the same house as me, that I just really felt it necessary to find out how she was doing.
And the two of you are now friends, right?
Yes.
Sisters.
Sisters, actually.
Two good people doing really good things. Thank you both for taking the time to come on and tell us your story. Really appreciate it.
Yes, thank you, Dad. We appreciate it. I mean, we know this is going to be a lifetime sisterhood. So thanks to Jody for whatever reason she took. She gave me someone who now is my sister, and vice versa. So we're good.
That's it for this. Thanks for being a fan of Court Cam. Subscribe to A&E to never miss a new video and catch full episodes on aetv.com.